Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So if you want to delete your Instagram account, what you have to do is first just open your Instagram account and you have to make sure that you have to log in that account which you want to delete. So I want to delete this account. So go into your profile, from the bottom of your screen, click on the here your profile picture, and here you will see three lines here. Click on it, and here you will see setting option. Just click on this setting option, and when you click on setting option, here you will see help option. Click on help option, and here you will see help center. Click on help center. Okay, now you have to wait for few seconds, and here you will see three lines again at the top of your screen. Click on it, and when you click on it, here you will see manage your account option. Click on manage your account option, and after that click on delete your account. Okay, now click on delete, and now what you have to do, here you will see temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Click on it, and when you click on it, here you will see Instagram for computer help, mobile browser or iPhone. So now click on it, and here you will see delete your Instagram account. Click on it. Whether you are using Android or iOS, the methods are same. Now here you have to click on Android have help. Here click on it, and here you have to click on computer help. Okay, so when you click on computer help, you have to scroll down. Here you will see delete your account option. Click on delete your account option, and after here you have to choose why you want to delete your account. So okay, click on something else. Now you have to enter your password. After that click on the delete your here you will see this like this, delete and your Instagram account name. So like this you can delete your Instagram account. You can also recover it before January 07. You will see that the date below it. So like this you can delete Instagram account permanently. So if you like this video, like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.